Hello, I am Moonly, and I spent 50 hours learning game development in Godot. One day my friend texted me, "Hey, we want to learn C Sharp together." And I was bored at the moment, so I said, "Hell yeah." I found 9-hour-long video tutorial for C Sharp and watched like 1 hour or something. After that, I installed Unity, watched some tutorials, and made a simple snake game that barely worked. I wanted to make roguelike 'cause I love roguelikes. I wanted my game be something similar to Enter the Gungeon, the game that I spent few hundred hours on. Also, dungeon with 5 floors and 5 levels each. 3 classes, wizard, warrior, and archer. Every time when you complete floor, you got a special ability that you can choose for subclass. Every class had 3 subclasses that have different abilities. I found a video about pixel art and Aseprite. I made a Lil Slime. That's how my game started, all from that Lil Slime. After Lil Slime, I made a tavern keeper and Tillamat for first location, where you spawn tavern. One day, I watched Thor's stream and heard that he really likes Godot, so I thought to myself, maybe I should try it? I installed Godot, watched a tutorial, and I liked it. I made my way to making the game. It was painful, but with the power of tutorials and internet, I made Tavern. It was pretty nice. I also added sound to steps and voice for a tavern keeper. I also made a cellar and speaking door. Next was character selection. It was pretty easy. Now was the most awful part, procedural generation. After watching some videos, reading few articles, I was ready to copy code from internet, and it was working. But I didn't like it, so I scrapped that idea. Yeah, enemy and battling was pretty difficult. After I made an enemy, I started to learn about hitboxes and hurtboxes. Hitboxes hit things, and hurtboxes get hit by things. Not that hard, right? Wrong. I spent few hours making it work. I don't know why, but it wouldn't work for me. In the end, I fixed all, and it worked. But it was not all. I spent another few hours to make enemy not go through walls. Sounds easy, but it's not. With God's help, and help with beautiful people in Pirate Software's Discord server, I realized that my enemy movement was bad, and that's why it wasn't working. That's all what I did for 50 hours. Now, I will say what I want to do in future. First of all, gotta be full rework of weapons and classes. There would be only wizard, and instead of wand, he gotta have a gun. In chests, you gotta have parts of the gun that you attach to it and make a hybrid gun. I think it's gonna be fun. Second, gotta be subclasses there, gonna be 3 of them. First is elementalist that gonna use different elementals to fight. Second, gotta be acolyte that gonna use blood from himself and enemies to make powerful attacks and heal. Third, gotta be astrologer that gonna use power of space to summon celestial bodies. And of course, more levels and bosses. Well, that's all. I hope you liked my video, and see you later.